Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you service a Toyota Land Cruiser. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather all necessary tools, including a torque wrench, oil filter wrench, and appropriate fluids. Safety is paramount, so use jack stands and wear protective gloves and eyewear. Understanding your Land Cruiser's service schedule is key to maintaining its legendary durability and performance for many years to come. Next, let's cover essential checks. Begin by inspecting your tires for proper inflation and wear patterns. Uneven wear can indicate alignment issues. Test all exterior and interior lights to ensure they are functioning correctly, replacing any burnt-out bulbs. Don't forget to check your windshield wiper blades for any signs of damage or streaking, as clear visibility is crucial for safe driving in all conditions. Now, let's focus on fluids and filters. Changing your engine oil and oil filter is a fundamental task, typically recommended every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Regularly check your brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant levels, topping them off as needed. Replacing the engine air filter and cabin air filter ensures your engine breathes clean air and your interior remains fresh. Finally, here are some advanced tips. Periodically lubricate chassis components, especially if you drive off-road, to prevent premature wear. A diagnostic scanner can be invaluable for identifying potential issues early by reading engine codes. Always keep a meticulous record of all maintenance, including dates and mileage, to ensure your Land Cruiser receives consistent care and maintains its value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.